Hey there, I'm Mark. For today's drawing, we're gonna do a cute little kitty cat. But wait, it turns into a scary monster cat. All you need for this project is a sheet of paper, a Sharpie marker, and a bunch of your favorite colored markers. Okay, so we're gonna take our piece of paper and fold it right down the center. Create a seam right down the middle. We're gonna do a second fold from one side into the center. And then we'll do the other side into the center as well. What you'll end up with are 3 seams through your page. So then we're going to take one half of the page and we're going to fold it over. Just like that. Grab your Sharpie marker. We'll start with an oval shape about halfway between the top portion of our page. So we're going to come down like this, and we're going to have a body down below. So we don't want to extend this bottom portion at the same amount. We want to try to end it a little closer to the fold here. So we're going to come down, and somewhere about here we're going to end. And then we'll do the same over here on this side, and we'll come down and meet up. In the middle where this fold is, we're going to do a curve down like this, and then we're just going to come across and then go back up, because our kitty cat is smiling today. It's a happy cat. Right above in the middle, we'll do a nose like this, and I'll just go and fill that in. Then on the left, right above where this point is for the mouth, we will do a pretty large circular shape. Like that. And we'll do another one on the other side. Then we're going to do a curved shape down below, and then a large circle that's kind of angled towards the right a little bit, and then we'll do a smaller one, and we'll do the same for the other eye. Larger circle and then a smaller one. We can draw an ear that points over to the right and then comes down, and we'll do the same on the right. Come up and down. And inside of this, we'll do another shape that follows that upside down V shape. And we'll do both sides. Underneath the mouth, we will do a small curve to the left from the center, and then the same on the right. Now I'm going to add some details. I'm going to do a V shape up here, and then one to the left and one to the right. I'm going to do 2 whiskers, and we're going to do these whiskers above the seam. So we're going to have one there, one here. We'll do the same on the right. And then I'm going to add a couple more triangular shapes on the left and a couple more on the right. And if you want to put a little bump over the eye, a little eyebrow, you can do that. Then down below, I'll add a couple more little shapes around the head. And the next thing I'll do is the body. So coming from the center, if you draw an imaginary line down, we're going to go right about here, and I'm just going to do this little curve, kind of in the center, as close to the center as possible. Then to the left, we're going to draw a leg like that, and we'll do one on the right. So we have 2 legs. Then what we're going to do is go over to the left. We're going to curve over to the left, and then we're going to hook this and come quickly up like that. And then we'll draw the same on the right side. So hook over like that. We can draw a little collar shape. And I'll do a couple more triangular shapes along both sides of the body. And then we'll do a tail over on the right. So we'll hook this shape that gets a little bit bigger, and then it comes down like that. And then here, I'm going to do a couple more triangular shapes, and we'll do the same on the other side. And because this cat's having a nice day and he's loving life, we're going to draw a little heart on the one side. You can draw more if you like and fill up your page. So we'll open up our page and we'll kind of press these edges down. So starting from my center, I'm going to come down a little bit and I'm going to create this curved shape like this. So it looks like he's smiling right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook this over like that, and we're going to come down and we're going to come in and back out. So we're going to come in and now we're going to slightly go outward, and we want to draw this shape right here upside down on this side. So we'll draw this curve right here, and then now what we can do is we can join these two lines together. Come around and join those together. Now remember, don't go past this seam. Okay, whatever you drew up here and down below, we want to keep that the same and not draw anything in those areas. Okay, we'll mirror what we just drew on the right now. Then I'm going to connect the outer portions of the heads. I'm going to come in, and then I'm going to come out and meet back up like that. And we'll try to do the same on this side. Okay, now you can add a couple more little shapes to the outside if you want. Like that. I'll probably put maybe a couple more up here. And the same on this side. All right, now I'm going to draw some teeth. So starting on the left, we're going to draw a really big triangular shape, this V shape like that. And then I'm going to try to draw the same on the right side. Then we're going to do a slightly smaller one to the left, and then another one that's just a little bit smaller. And if you want to create these little hooks like that on those edges, we can do that. And let's do the same on this side. In the center, we will do one shape that's right down the center. So let's just draw that one in now. So we'll do a V there, and then we can do another V outward from both sides to kind of keep this symmetrical. Then let's go down to the bottom and we'll do the same down here. So we'll add a nice big tooth over here, and then we'll draw the same on the right side. And I'm going to go and just create a couple more triangular teeth right there with the little hooks on them. And then we'll do the same on this side. We'll draw a tooth upward, and then I'll probably draw two more like that, and we'll do the same on this side. All right, so our cat is definitely looking scary with these crazy sharp teeth. I'll join a line from this tooth. I'll come down, and we're gonna go and just go kind of in the middle of that shape. We'll do the same on the right. I'm gonna draw a little mouse that's sitting inside the cat's mouth here. I'm gonna do this curved shape like this. I'll do a little leg, little foot that comes out to the right, to the left. We'll hook over to the right, and then we'll draw a little foot that comes to the right, and then we'll come back up like this. Okay, so it's kind of little fatter down here, skinnier up at the top. Then I'm going to do an ear that comes from right about these two sides here, okay? So we're going to go up and over like that, and we'll try to draw the same shape over here. Now you don't have to have this right in the center. You can make your shape a little bit to one side, and then we'll complete the head at the top. Then I'll draw a little shape inside the ear, just like this, and then we'll color that in. Okay, find the location of your nose. So we'll go almost right on that seam. Just gonna do this upside down triangle, and then I'm gonna do a little circle here and a little circle there for the eyes. I'll do a couple little whiskers, a little line that comes down from the nose, and then we'll do two little hands. So one that points in and the right side points in. Okay, then we'll put a little tail coming off of this side. I'll hook that like this. And then as you get back to the body, it gets a little bit wider. All right, so we have our little mouse that's hiding inside the cat's mouth. Now we'll draw a tongue. So we'll come from right about here, and we'll just draw a shape up like that. And we'll come up about here, and we'll just come back down like that. So find your center, and we'll draw this curved V shape like that. And then we're gonna hook this back over, come like that, and curve back. Okay, so remember, don't draw through your mouse. You want to stop and restart. And we'll do the same on this side. We'll hook this like that. Okay, we can also add another little whisker on the lower side of the page over there if you like. So now if you join this top portion down, you can see how this looks. So here's our cat, oh, having a good day, nice and fun. And then wait a second, we open her up and oh, there we go. Sharp teeth, there's a little mouse hiding inside there. All right, and the favorite time of the video for me is when I color this cat in. So follow along as I fast forward this, and you want to watch to the end because it looks really, really cool and amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed this drawing of a cat that looks very friendly and happy and innocent that turns into a scary monster cat with sharp teeth. Why don't you go ahead and like this and subscribe to my channel. I do videos every weekday, and until that next one, I will see you then. Bye-bye.